Hey everyone! Today we're creating a cute poppet unicorn. It's going to be fun and colorful, and I'm so excited to get started. Let's go! Glittyartenglish! First, I draw the horn, sharp and straight. Then I sketch the back shape, and after that, I finish the front face of the unicorn. Now I add some lines across the body. These will separate the rainbow layers. Next, I draw the pop. It circles inside each layer, including the eye. Which one do you think is the eye? Drop your guess in the comments. Unicorns are magical creatures with a single horn, often seen in fairy tales. They symbolize beauty and imagination. Now it's time to color. First, I color the eye, glitter black. The horn and top part go bright glitter red. Next, I fill the second part with glittery orange. Then I add some sunny glitter yellow. After that, I color the mouth area with glitter green. Now I use glitter sky blue for the next part. And finally, I finish it off with glitter purple at the bottom. And we're done! Our poppet unicorn looks shiny, colorful, and magical. If you like this drawing, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more.